Hi guys, today we are going to unbox our Google Home Mini. So this is like the counterpart of Amazon Alexa, AI devices that actually can be invoked with certain keywords. Like for example, for this one, you just have to start with OK Google, and then the next will be the command. For example, OK Google, what is the nearest flower shop? So these are the features also, as you can see on our list here. So this is small and mighty. Google Home Mini is powered by the Google Assistant. If you have your Android devices, Google Assistant is very helpful. Ask it questions, tell it to do things. It's never been easier to get hands-free help in any room. So of course, there are also compatible devices and products. Like for example, the Philips Hue, which are bulbs that can be triggered wirelessly using this Google Assistant powered Google Home Mini. Also, we have here na Netflix, Spotify, YouTube, Google Photos, and Google Chromecast. So since this is from Google, I think you can access your accounts in your using this one, the Netflix and YouTube, Spotify, Google Photos, and Google Chromecast. Now let's open this one. Okay, so let's try open this. Okay, so there's like, to open this one, there's this part here which you just have to pull. So its color is charcoal. You just have to pull this one. Okay, it's done. And then this is the Google Home Mini. Alright, so as you can see, this is a small one, but you can actually put it in other parts of your house, your room, in your living room. So for this one, I think for comparison, let's just compare it with a money. So let's compare it with like 1,000. So this is the 1,000 bill in the Philippines. You have to put it there, so it can occupy 2 spaces for the 1,000 pesos. So just a small one. Okay, and then this will be the power slot here, and this will be the microphone button. So you just have to plug in some power. So another inclusion for our unboxing. So here, let's get started with Google Home Mini. So yan, these are plug in the app, connect the power adapter to your Google Home Mini. Get the app, download the Google Home app from Google Play or App Store or on a compatible phone or tablet, then follow the on-screen steps to finish setup. So first plug in, the next one is get the app. Get to know your Google Home Mini, so you can also have here. So again, just start with OK Google, then there are invocation keys and commands here. Be safe. So of course, you need to see this manual for you to be able to be safe at home. So there are warning for the health and safety information here on this piece of paper. This will be the power. As you can see here, this is the power supply of our Google Home Mini, indicated by the power here, and the cable here. Okay, So the remaining is the base already. If you will not use the other parts, you just have to put it back. But for the information, you can actually retrieve it afterwards if you still want to use this piece of papers. Okay, but for now, let's use the device itself and the power supply. Now let's try powering this up. So this is the plug in. Then let's insert this cable here. Okay. As you can see, the LED buttons are now lighting up. Plug it in from the instructions that we have shown you earlier. Now let's move on to downloading the application. Very Google
Welcome
color.
to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, let's download the Google Home app. Google Home. So let's target this one, and then let's install Google Home. So we have now the Google Home. Let's open this one. Let's get started. Okay, next. Allow. Then let's choose an account. Okay. Alright, I've selected an account already. Allow nearby devices. Next. Allow. Location access. Next. While using the app. Turn on the Bluetooth. Allow. Welcome to the new Google Home. Next. Let's say living room. Yes, save. Assistant. Let's check also this one. Okay, so let's check with the devices. Add new device. Okay, next. Looking for devices. Google Home Mini found. So let's click yes. It's now connected. Yes, we hear the sound. Yes, help improve mini Google Home. Okay, let's just check. Yes, I'm in. Proceed. Where is this device? Let's check the living room next. Let's connect it to a Wi-Fi. So let me connect it to the Wi-Fi first. Okay. Google Home Mini is now connecting to the Wi-Fi. Okay, it is now connected. Before using your Google, you just have to read these features if you want. And then next. Click next. So these are actual installations for our Google Home Mini. Set up a voice match on devices. I think I will go with the not now. Get personal results on the devices. Okay. Your assistant is ready. Next. Okay, not now. If you still have more time, you just have to proceed with it. So, okay, almost finished installing update. So, now let's explore what you can do. Continue.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Okay, Google. Let's try to. There's still a button here.
The mic's off.
Let's turn it on.
The microphone is back on.
Okay, Google. Set the volume to 50%. Okay, Google. What's the weather?
Currently in Surigao City it's 86 degrees and cloudy. Today, it'll be cloudy, with a forecast high of 89 and a low of 81. Due to the current humidity, it feels like it's 98.
Okay, Google. What's the temperature outside?
In Surigao City it's currently 86 degrees. Due to the current humidity, it feels like it's 98.
So we've now set up the Google Home Mini. It's just like my Alexa, but now I have two AIs that can help me through my devices. Okay, Google. Tell me a joke.
What do you call a caveman's fart? A blast from the past.
Okay, Google. Set the volume to 100%. Okay, Google. Tell me a joke.
Prepare to sew up your sides. Why did the scarecrow keep getting promoted? Because he was outstanding in his field.
Okay, Google. Tell me another joke.
Prepare to chuckle, or groan. What happened when the geese fell down the stairs? They all got goosebumps.
Okay, Google. Tell me another joke.
This one will make you giggle. Or sigh. Did you hear about the guy who invented the knock-knock joke? He won the Nobel Prize.